Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to pairwise swap elements of a given linked list. Let's see the problem statement first. The problem statement says, given a singly linked list, we have to write a function to swap elements pairwise and print the modified linked list. Let's see some examples to demonstrate the above problem. In the first example, we have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After swapping the elements pairwise, we get the linked list as 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. In the second example, we have given a linked list 9, 2, 1, 4. After pairwise swapping, we obtain output as 2, 9, 4, 1. First, let's see iterative method to solve the above problem. We start from head node and start traversing the linked list. While traversing, we swap data of each node with its next node's data. Let's see the C implementation of above algorithm. Return type of this function is void since it will only swap elements of given linked list and will not return anything. The function takes only one argument, the head node of the linked list. Inside this function, we declare a variable temp and initialize it with the head of the linked list. We then traverse the given linked list if and only if there are at least 2 nodes left. This is because minimum 2 nodes are required for swapping. While traversing, we swap data of current node with the next node's data and move temp pointer by 2 nodes. When whole list is traversed, we get the modified linked list. Now let's see the recursive algorithm for the problem. So it's quite simple. If there are 2 or more than 2 nodes in linked list, we swap the first 2 nodes and recursively call for rest of the linked list. Let's see the recursive code and understand using an example. So we have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Initially, head will point to 1 and function pairwise swap is called with head pointing on 1. Since head next is not null, we enter in this if condition and swap data of first 2 nodes. After swapping, we will recursively call the function on next of head, which is 3. So head will now point to 3. We again swap data of next 2 nodes. After swapping, we recursively call function on next of head, which is 5. Since head next is null, it will not enter this if condition and will return to previous call. Since function returns void, it will not perform any operations while returning back to previous calls. Pairwise swap 5 will return to pairwise swap 3. Pairwise swap 3 will return to pairwise swap 1. And finally, pairwise swap 1 will return to main calling function. So we get the final modified linked list as 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. Time complexity of both iterative and recursive algorithm is O(n) since we are linearly traversing the linked list. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.